In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom 12-hour time frame in TradingView Supercharts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to create a clean 12-hour view for your analysis. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the TradingView website. Once you're on the home page, look for the main navigation bar at the top. Find the menu labeled Products, then choose Supercharts. This opens TradingView's full-featured charting workspace, which is where you'll do most of your analysis and customization. With the chart workspace open, focus on the controls at the upper left of the screen. You'll see the time frame selector, sometimes displayed as a label like 1D, 4H, or 1H. In this guide, it's referred to as the date icon. Click that selector to open the time frame menu. Inside that menu, look for the option labeled Add Custom Interval. Click it to open a small setup window. Here's where you define the exact time frame you want. Change the type to hours and then set the interval to 12. Double check that it reads hours and 12 so you know you're creating a 12-hour interval. When everything looks correct, click Add to save it. A quick note before you proceed. Custom intervals are a premium feature in TradingView. If you don't see the Add Custom Interval option, make sure you're signed in with a plan that includes it. If the option still isn't available, you may need to upgrade your subscription to access this feature. After you click Add, your new 12H interval will appear in the time frame list. If it isn't already applied, select 12H from the list and the chart will switch over to 12-hour candles or bars. You'll know it worked when you see 12H on the selector and your chart updates to reflect that longer interval. The 12-hour view is a great middle ground. It reduces noise compared to shorter time frames while still reacting faster than a full daily chart. From here, you can continue your analysis exactly as you normally would, but with a clearer, smoother look at price action across the day. If anything looks off, try clicking the time frame selector again to confirm 12H is active. And make sure you're in Supercharts rather than a simplified chart view. And that's it. You went to TradingView, opened Supercharts, and added a custom 12-hour interval. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new, cleaner perspective on the markets.